In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark mode in Google Maps on your iPhone or Android device. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Google Maps app and then tap at your profile picture. Here, tap on Settings. And there you can find dark mode feature. Just tap on it. By default it's turned off. You can set it to on to always enable dark mode, or you can set this option to same as device settings. If you turn this feature on, now you can see that map and all interface of the application has been turned to dark mode. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.